To start, let's all combine the dry ingredients: the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. Let's mix everything. Let's mix the wet ingredients. Egg, then we need to beat the egg. Then after beating, pour the milk into the bowl with the egg. Let's put the butter too. And vanilla. Let's mix. So let's just take a big bowl. And put the dry ingredients. And the wet ingredients. Then we mix everything. So when you start mixing, guys, the dry and wet ingredients, do not overmix. Overmixing is a common mistake, so it makes our pancake heavy and flat, sometimes rubbery and not fluffy. A couple of lumps is okay. Okay, now it's ready. Let's put a little butter in the frying pan. Then we can use a scoop to make our pancake evenly sized. So guys, it depends on you whether you put butter or not. But for me, I've noticed that the cooking of the pancake is more equal if there is butter. And it smells better too. You will know when one side is cooked and you need to turn it over or flip it over. If you see that it has bubbles or that it has holes, now it's time to turn or flip it over. Okay, so our pancake is cooked. Let's just put it on a plate. Okay, so I'm just trying to check our pancake, guys. Our pancake is soft. Let's just taste it. Mmm, delicious. Okay, so let's just finish cooking everything. Same procedure, guys. And just want to let you know that we can make 5 pancakes here with our ingredients. Again, check the holes or the bubbles before you turn it over. Nice. This is for my sister who asked me to make a video on a fluffy pancake. This is it. And I hope the people who watch it also like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Just press the bell at the bottom of this video. So guys, don't forget, we must always take care of our body. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Take care.